In today's video, I'm gonna be showing you how to use YouTube on your Apple Watch. So we're going to install the wrist YouTube app in our watch. So press the crown to go to your app library. In app library, you have to scroll down and open the App Store. And tap on the search icon and search for wrist YouTube. Wrist YouTube and search for it, and as a search result here you will find the wrist tube for YouTube app. Just install this app on your watch, and then whenever you want to use YouTube from your watch, press the crown to go to your app library. From app library you have to open the wrist tube app, and here if you see this message, just tap on not now, and here you can select trending, and you can select your location to get all trending videos. Just like this, you can scroll down to find trending videos here. Let's go back from here, and if you want to search for a specific channel or video, you can just use this search option. Tap on enter keyword and search for the keyword how to 1 minute. I'm searching for my YouTube channel here, for example, and we can see all of my channel videos are showing as a search result. Now to watch any video, just tap the video and we can see the video is now playing.
Here's how to create PHP.
So that's how you can actually use YouTube on our Apple Watch.